Terrible. Mount Etna, the famous volcano in Italy, is again emitting lava into the Sicilian sky. This is what it looks like. Europe's most active volcano is active again. Mount Etna in Italy has erupted again, spewing lava and ash into the Sicilian sky. This is what Mount Etna's current majestic appearance looks like. Mount Etna is able to attract the attention of spectators, usually erupting several times a year. In 2023, the volcano experienced eruptions in November, August, May, February. About 1 million people live around Mount Etna, according to Smithsonian Magazine. But residents say that doesn't happen often. In 2021, a resident described a rainfall of stones that locals called lapillis. Something I had never seen in my life, Letizia Olivieri, a Padara resident, told the AP. This volcano is considered one of the most scientifically monitored volcanoes in the world, according to Smithsonian Magazine. This is truly a volcanic playground for scientists, volcanologist Boris Banki told the magazine. 2 fissures opened at the bottom of the southeast crater and on the northeast side of the southeast Baru crater at around 3 o'clock local time, 2 o'clock British Summer Time. The lava flow was accompanied by strombolian activity from the main crater. Catania Airport, which was closed in February after a major eruption, remained open. British companies including budget airlines Ryanair and EasyJet often fly to terminals located in the south of the country. The airport's website said all routes for this morning had departed, although some experienced delays. Ryanair's route to Rome due to depart at 11:15 has been delayed for an hour, but this is unlikely to be related to the eruption. An estimated €100 million in damage occurred in the area around Mount Etna in Sicily in January, following a series of earthquakes. An earthquake measuring 4.8 on the Richter scale on Boxing Day struck the northern region of Catania, damaging buildings and injuring around 30 people. At the time, Italy's National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology, INGV, said as much as 6 million cubic meters of lava had spewed from Mount Etna since a new fissure opened on Christmas Eve, covering an area of more than 1 square kilometer. Possible delays and inconvenience even on departure. For any information regarding individual flights, contact the airline. The Volcano Discovery website warns, while no more lava is erupting at this time, strong gas and dense ash emissions continue from the Bocca Nuova crater as a sign that magma is close to the surface. Seismic activity in the area is still high and has increased in recent days. Lava bursts like those seen last night can occur several times a year. Despite this, Mount Etna is considered one of the safest volcanoes in the world, with people living around the location and a number of tourist attractions existing. The eruption is estimated to have caused a total of 77 deaths in its history. Its unpredictable behavior makes it one of the most guarded volcanoes in the world. Tourists are allowed to climb Mount Etna, but are still advised to take extra and specific precautions and walk in groups. Mount Etna continues to erupt after producing stunning views of ash-covered snow slopes and causing Catania Airport to be closed until Sunday. Satellite data reveals parts of Italy's volcano moved 50 centimeters between December 24 and 26, 2018. Analysis of passing satellites, including Italy's Cosmos SkyMed satellite and Europe's Sentinel satellite, revealed the movement. Mount Etna's brief but intense eruption began on December 24 and culminated with a magnitude 4.8 earthquake on December 26. The satellite data was analyzed by Italian scientists who found that the shape of the volcano had changed due to magma intrusion. The magma rises to the surface through the new eruption gap. And some become trapped as shallow and deeper intrusions. Scientists found that the western slope of Mount Etna had shifted 30 centimeters to the west, while the eastern slope was 50 centimeters to the east. The main fault line involved is the Fiandaca Fault, where the Earth's crust moves eastward by 12 to 14 centimeters and westward by 15 to 17 centimeters. The Italian Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology, INGV, said the earthquake occurred at 03:18 local time at a depth of 1.2 kilometers.